वेलकम टू स्टॉक मार्केट विद केआर डेली मार्केट एनालिसिस में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर लुकिंग एट निफ्टी 17,200। ऑब्वियसली हायर लेवल्स कंप्लीटली रिजेक्ट कर दिया है। आज वी कैन सी निफ्टी इज डाउन 300 पॉइंट्स और 1.7%। सो पहले देखते हैं नंबर्स में हाउ निफ्टी इज कंपेयर्ड विथ द सेक्टर्स, द ब्रॉड मार्केट एंड सो ऑन, एंड देन वील जंप एट द चार्ट्स एंड देन फाइनली लुकिंग एट द टॉप स्टॉक्स। सो स्टार्टिंग थिंग्स ऑफ विद द सेक्टर्स, हम लोग यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं that financial services in general have taken a beating. So any financial service stock, any BFSI stock has really taken a big beating today. हम लोग देख सकते हैं that even though most of the indices here are down by more than 1%, it's just those BFSI stocks जिन लोग ने और मार खाई है. For example, private banks are down by 2.5% almost. Bank Nifty is down by 2%. Financial services down by 2.5% and so on. So वो एक चीज हम लोग देख सकते हैं. And as a result, we can see Nifty is down by 1.7. So clearly, Nifty has, I wouldn't call it outperforming because outperformance, ठीक है, it's the right word, but still it doesn't seem right here. It doesn't fit right. So let's just say that Nifty ने उतना खराब नहीं किया है. And here what we can also see is that India VIX is back above 20. It's at 20.44, up 8%. And we can see that Nifty has actually done worse. Nifty has underperformed or poorly performed compared to the small caps and mid caps. अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं गेनर्स एंड लूजर्स की, हम लोग देख सकते हैं दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. सो दीज आर द गेनर्स, अगेन जस्ट टू गेनर्स अबव 1%, व्हिच इज रियली नॉट अ गुड साइन. और अगर लूजर्स की बात करते हैं, वी कैन सी सेवरल लूजर्स, मोस्ट ऑफ देम, इनफैक्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉप 10 losers are above 3% down, which is not a very pleasant sign. And of course, you can see most of them are BFSI companies. For example, you've got HDFC Bank, HDFC Life, Bajaj Finance, HDFC, Kotak Bank, and finally Bajaj Finserv. So not looking very good, but ठीक है. निफ्टी की स्पेसिफिक बात करें तो कुछ इन स्टॉक्स ने ड्रैग और अप पुल किया था. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम लोग ड्रैगर्स देखते हैं, वी कैन सी ऑल टॉप 5 ड्रैगर्स आर एक्चुअली डबल डिजिट वंस. इनफैक्ट एचडीएफसी बैंक ने ही ऑलमोस्ट 50 पॉइंट्स ड्रैग किया है निफ्टी को. एंड इफ वी लुक एट द सेम फॉर बैंक निफ्टी, व्हाट वी कैन सी हियर is that HDFC Bank alone का contribution was 430 points. 430 points is more than 1% on Bank Nifty, which is a massive, massive number. So let's take a deeper look into this. जानते हैं कि exactly chart पर ये कैसे दिख रहा है. So अगर हम लोग निफ्टी का चार्ट देखते हैं, we can see here that 500 को होल्ड किया था फ्राइडे को, and then over the weekend possibly sentiments and such weakened, and as a result we are seeing this falling very sharply on the downside. Now एक चीज है, when we were seeing some considerable falls here, I believe this was the week, यहाँ पर 26th, and before that I believe one of these days was actually a Monday, और Monday गिरा था, and the rest of the week it was up because in the previous week we saw some negative moves. So I would still say that okay, possibly अगर वो same trend जैसा repeat होने वाला है, maybe it was this one in hindsight, 17th and 20th. Yes, this fall right here that we saw, उसमें हम लोग ने क्या देखा था कि previous week was down, right? Previous week was down. Monday को gap down followed by a further down movement, and then after that it sort of considered that as bottom. Now I'm not saying कि वो होगा, I'm just saying कि just because कभी कभी ऐसा नेगेटिव हो जाता है, वीक स्टार्ट्स ऑफ विद अ गैप डाउन एंड सच, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट इट्स द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. दैट बीइंग सेड, वी कांट इग्नोर कि कैसे वो नीचे जा रहा है. इनफैक्ट अगर हम लोग मूविंग एवरेजेस डालते हैं 5 मिनट पे, देन वी कैन सी दैट इट्स नॉट गॉन अबव द 200 MA on the 5 minute chart since 3rd Feb. Now that's a long time, right? In fact 20 MA के ऊपर आज सिर्फ 2-3 कैंडल्स है गिन चुन कर, which is really not a good sign. So clearly the sentiment, the momentum and the movement has been on the downside for Nifty. Obviously आज Bank Nifty ने underperform किया है, so it's going to be the same for Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty we can see 37,937 के fib पर आ गया है, and it's gone down below 20 MA. Let's see how it goes. 38,000 तो रिजेक्ट किया है, 39,000 भी रिजेक्ट कर लिया है, so not looking very pleasant. 5 minute chart देखे, it looks a little worse compared to Nifty, but again we can see here consistently below the 20 moving average. In fact अगर बैंक निफ्टी देखते हैं तो 950 की कैंडल was above 20 MA, and after that the last half an hour की candles were barely above 20 MA, but apart from that it was all down. So clearly sentiments were favoring the bears today. Next up, Reliance. अगर top stocks की बात करें, we can see Reliance is at 200 MA. Now this I feel is a good level for Reliance. हम लोग ने पहले भी जैसे बात किया था, पता है 200 MA पर जब ये होता है, there is a good chance that it might fight support somewhere around that. I'm not saying कि यहाँ से सीधा upper circuit जाएगा, What I'm saying is that if you're looking for a positional view or something, maybe stocks in general, good quality stocks, when they come around 200 MA, it might be a good sign. So Reliance is on our radar. नेक्स्ट up HDFC बैंक. Now one of the top draggers for Nifty, HDFC बैंक, हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि 1530 का रेजिस्टेंस आया था और उसके बाद सीधा सा it's gone down. So it's sort of broken the 1500 level directly, and then now it's come back down. And right on cue, UR's ringtone is back. So always happens, I'm not sure why. बट वी कैन सी यहाँ पे 1468 के आसपास फिर से आया है. रेड कलर का जो हमारा हाईलाइट है वो. और अगर 5 मिनट चार्ट करते हैं हम लोग देख सकते हैं 20 MA का लाइन है, उसके आसपास भी नहीं आया था. अगेन the selling momentum was very, very, very intense on HDFC Bank today. Here we can see. So not looking very good. I'm not sure HDFC Bank itna crack क्यों हुआ है, but I'm sure there's some reason. I mean, it can't just magically go down like that, right? Sellers, buyers, all of that is there, but maybe there's some trigger. Infosys की अगर बात करें, we're seeing it sort of hanging in the middle of the air, I'll say. हम लोग देख सकते हैं दैट आफ्टर डूइंग अ गुड मूव फ्रॉम 1670, now we can see it's come back down. In fact, this might just be around 61.8 now. अगर हम लोग एक बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म ये फिब रिट्रेसमेंट करें, then we can see it's right around. Okay, that's a reverse retracement. I hate it when that happens. And yeah, so here we have it around 61.8 as I speculated. और बस मे बी वही लेवल से वो बाउंस अप करता है. अगर हम लोग इंट्रा चार्ट देखते हैं तो इंट्रा पर हम लोग देख सकते हैं दैट्स एक्चुअली बेटर देन सम ऑफ द अदर स्टॉक्स दैट वी सॉ. बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं 50 MA के ऊपर है इवन ऑन द इंट्रा चार्ट, विच इज नॉट समथिंग दैट वी वर सीइंग on many of the other stocks, including Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that's one thing. Again, IT in general has been pretty good. TCS, popular requested stock hai, so I won't forget it. And here we can see that 20 MA almost resistance. Here we can see the high for the day was 3831, and the low for the day was 3756, finally closing just a little below 3800 at 3780. So देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. Again, it's approaching 50 MA. Now this I feel is a very good deciding point for TCS, and the reason is that consistently उसने higher lows बनाए हैं, but this might be the first time where it might be making a lower high. For example, यहाँ पे उसने बनाया था हाई, यहाँ पे we saw some consolidation, made a higher high, after that it's come down. Now यहाँ से हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी रेजिस्टेंस एक बार देखा है, तो आई वुड से अगर 3650 तोड़ता है, that would confirm that this was a lower high, and that would also confirm that maybe it shows that there's something significantly different that's happening. HDFC की बात करें, it's just terribly broken down. We can see now it might be headed towards this 2350 2360 level. Would not rule that out. अगर यही लाइन जो है वो हम लोग एक्सटेंड करते हैं, I'll try to find that. I'll try to find out to extend that. Okay, scaling is a problem today. And yes, अगर हम लोग वो लाइन एक्सटेंड करते हैं, then we can see वो लाइन को भी तोड़ा है उसने. So that support zone has been broken as well. Again, I'd say 2360 or so, basically where this line is 2370 or so, might be where it is headed now. And this is a decisive breakdown right from 20 MA and our 2600 price level. ICICI Bank is the next one. We can see here it's very narrow range. Now हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये वाला जो जोन है राइट 780 के आसपास का, which is been a good support so far. Maybe it'll retest that. If it's able to go and cross above 820 after taking support from here, then I think it's a good sign. Because उसमें हम लोग देख पाएंगे कि यहाँ के जो buyers है वो strong है. But अगर ये तोड़ देता है, then that would obviously show कि ये जो sellers है उन लोग की जो ताकत है, they are stronger than these buyers over here, which would not be a good sign. So that's what I'm seeing in ICICI Bank right now. Kotak Bank की अगर बात करें, then we can see tremendous price rejection from higher levels. If I show you the 5 minute chart, what we can see is it went up, it stayed above the previous close line for like a 5-10 minutes or so, and after that consistently it just came down. So यहाँ पर हम लोग देख सकते हैं, this is what it looks like on the intra chart with moving averages. And we can see here daily chart went up, right? I'm not sure why this is showing it to me like this, because actually the gap up was not that big also. 15 point ka gap up tha. We can see around 1% usne recover kiya, and after that we can see it came down. So this is actually not a very pleasant candle. This shows a good amount of bearishness, I would say, and good amount of selling pressure. 1890 से वो resistance लिया है, so 1900 के आसपास भी नहीं आ पाया था. SBI की बात करें, this is where I was looking at SBI during the day. Obviously, as you know, now that I've got my CFA exams, I'm not as active in intraday observations and such, which is why when I was looking at SBI, it was somewhere around here, and then thoda sa upar niche ho raha tha. But then now seeing a DOD closing right around its previous close is very shocking, because again, हम लोग देख रहे थे SBI में that it was the highest level 80H था, and 80H close के आसपास था. It was trading right around here, which is a very good sign. But then we see it's come down. Now, that being said, still 0.5% up, so still not a very bad sign. But we can see that 540 के ऊपर का जो zone है जहां से resistance लग रही है, that really becomes stronger and stronger with every passing candle. Axis Bank की बात करें, एक्सिस में हम लोग ने बात की है कि कैसे 780 तक पुल बैक आ सकता है, एंड आज का लो अगर देखते हैं 784 अगेन, आई डू फील दैट there's a chance that we do see it pulling back around 780 or so, and then after that it might just resume its uptrend, because so far अगर हम लोग देखते हैं जो मोमेंटम रहा है, जो मूवमेंट रहा है, तो सेंटिमेंट जो रहा है वो काफी अच्छा है, बिकॉज लोअर हाइज लोअर हाइज क्या, ऑलवेज एंड अप मेसिंग दैट अप. We can see higher lows and higher highs consistently, which is a good sign after this rally. So downward rally. So देखते हैं कैसा जाता है. Very curious to hear your thoughts as well, as always. And if you are curious about some swing trading opportunities, then make sure you just open a new tab, go to our channel, you click on subscribe bell icon, check our videos, and then check this video right here, which is the swing trading opportunity. So I hope you found this helpful and insightful. That's it for this one. See you in the next. Happy trading.